Croc 1 is an exam which you have to appear twice in your exam. Now 1 and 101 Croc 1 in the first so instead.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Hey guys, this is Shritama in Ukraine from India. Welcome back to my channel. And this video is very important video for all those students who are currently pursuing their MBBS in Ukraine. This video is all about Croc, the things you need to know about Croc, the way you should prepare for Croc. I'm going to disclose everything today in this video. So let's start. So what is Croc basically? Croc is an exam what you have to write twice in your entire medical curriculum, be it the general medicine faculty or the dentistry faculty or the pharmacy students. And there are some other faculties also. So this is basically conducted in the month of June for the spring semester students and in the month of February for the winter semester students. Previously, it was just the step 1 exam which students had to pass, but after 2019, I guess, they have introduced another part to it, that is English proficiency test. How much percentage you should get to pass the Croc, right? For the step 1 or the first part of the exam, which is consisting of 150 question, you should get 60.5% to pass that part. So, it is around 91 questions which you should get correct. And for the second step or the second part of the exam, you should get 30.5%, that is around 10 questions out of 30 questions which you should get correct. Here comes the best part of Croc 1 or the Croc exam overall, that there is no negative marking. So you must mark all the questions even if you are not sure about the answer. So which subjects are included in Croc? These all 9 subjects from your first to third year, the pre and paraclinical subjects along with their weightages are being seen on the screen. So you should prepare accordingly. Which sources you should rely on to pass Croc, right?
अगर हम करें तो करें क्या, बोलें तो बोलें क्या?
Here I would like to categorize students in 3 groups. Group 1, who have done their first and second year subjects very properly and now they are in third year just thinking how to start about Croc. Group 2, who just passed somehow the first and second year and now in third year and thinking about what to do for Croc. And category 3, of course, who are just left with 4 or 5 months and going to appear for the June Croc. The first and foremost thing for all of the group of students, which should be this book. This is my book from for the year of 2020 when I appeared for my Croc exam. This book consists of last 10-year questions. But it is not necessary that you have to buy this book. You can have access to the last 10-year or 15-year question from any sources, be it internet, be it your college library, anywhere, or in your college website you can have it. For example, in our TNMU, we the official website of TNMU has access to all the Croc questions, and even you can go there and practice questions in exam mode or just to regular mode. What matters is that you have to practice the questions, the last 15, moreover the last 10-year question. You have to do it thoroughly, because the secret is that the 60% of questions in Croc 1 are going to come from your last 15-year questions. Maybe in some cases the actual question will not be repeated. There will be some variation in the language of the question, but the main concept of the question remains same. So the group C who are running out of time, you just start focusing on these questions right now from today itself. Group B also should start solving last 10 years questions or last 15 years question. If you find it is very good then. and you should start solving it as early as possible and review how much questions you can attempt, how much questions you can solve by yourself in the first go, right? And group A, I shouldn't comment on you guys very much, because you have already done your first and second year subject so well that you don't need to worry about the croc that much. So another book I have that you guys also should consider solving, that is a ministry book. This ministry book you can find in your university library, or you just can download it from internet. There is an soft copy of this book available in internet. I'll try to give the link in my description box. You should start also focusing on this book, because the other 40% questions basically, which are quite modified questions, mainly from this book. Okay, when you are solving your question, don't just mug it up. Try to think why I have marked option A, not option B and option C, option D. Just think about it a bit, just give it a thought. Let me be very clear about this, guys. The questions they ask, it's not very tough, it's not out of your league that you can't solve. I think that 100% of questions can be solved, though I was not able to though I was not able to mark all the questions correct. I got a 94.6% in my croc. But I have faith on you guys. You can do whatever you want to do, right? So start preparing for it. Start hustling from now so that you don't have to regret later. And the last but not the least, practice, practice, and practice. Practice is the key to success. And for any further information, you can just ask me in my Telegram account, which I will be giving in my description box. And for an extra understanding for your croc, you can go through Dr. Ashik Tutorials YouTube channel, which is a very good source to clear your doubts about croc, how to approach croc. And he has already made lots of videos in YouTube, and he's also having his personal website, and he also conducts offline and online classes to guide people, to guide students how to appear for croc, and also all the necessary information he's been giving. He's such a great mentor. So you can just go through his page, and it will be really very beneficial, because it was beneficial for me. So with that, I wish best of luck to you all, and I hope that you will be passing it in a go. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends, and write me in the comment section that for the next time what videos you are interested to see. And he's on he also Dr. Ashik's YouTube channel,